Hello everybody and welcome back. Can you guess what's inside this box? I'll let you know it's a Traxxas. I'll tell you, I believe I got a really good Black Friday deal. If you think you could guess what this model is, put it down in the comments right now before I open it. Because right about now, we're going to tear into it and see what I got. All right, well, if you guessed the Traxxas X-Max, well, you're right, because this is brand new to this channel. I've never owned an X-Max since, never owned one. I've seen some T-Maxes and things like that, but I've never seen, I don't even think I've seen an X-Max in person. Always on, lots on videos. Just at times I wasn't gonna pay the, you know, they're expensive. I didn't want to pay the money for it, even the 6S, the 8S, all that stuff. Until Black Friday came around and Traxxas had a deal, and I bought this directly from Traxxas website. Not that there's nothing wrong with ordering other places. I did get the blue version. The only reason why I got the blue version because everyone was out of stock on green. I couldn't find a green one to save my life. So let's go ahead and unbox this thing and just see what it's all about. Grab the seal. That is one of the parts. See right here. Start on the side. Yeah, that's like that. Oh my God. Oh my God. This thing is huge. Jesus. Wow. Oh my Lord. Jeez. Oh my God. Just pull everything out of the box real quick. I'm gonna open up the other side because I know the transmitter's over there. All right, everybody. I don't even know where to start with this beast. Oh my God. All I can say is this thing is a monster. All right, everybody. Now it's time to do a little comparison of this X-Max beast. Man, I'm telling you, I never realized how big these X-Maxes were. Holy cow, man, these things are monsters. I guess they classify them upwards to a 1/5 scale, 1/6, 1/5. It's more like a 1/5 basher to me. So let's go ahead and compare it to the, everyone knows that this is a Traxxas Jado, okay? Traxxas Jado 3.3, 1/10 scale. Nothing. All right, let's check out the Traxxas Wrestler. 1/10, 1/5. No comparison at all. Wow. Yeah, you know what? Let's just throw this in for the fun of it. Probably fit this right in between the wheel wells. This is the Losi JRXT Mini. It's one of them limited edition ones. I have two of them. One brand new in the box, and I have this one here that I do have a video that I did bash with. But look at that. It probably fits right inside. Look at that. Kind of cool. Okay. Now let's get into some of the bigger ones. All right, we got a 1/10 scale Big Rock 3S. Okay, full stock. Well, not 100% stock, but the stance is stock, the tires are stock, body and everything. Check that out. I'm sorry, guys. Yeah, I am choking up here. Wow, I'm really that impressed. I am that impressed. All right, let's go ahead and, everyone knows the Revo 3.3, the Nitro 3.3. Surely it's the same size as the, I'm gonna guess it's the same size as the electric version. But there you go, side by side right there. The Revo 3.3. I mean, this thing's a good size for an 8-scale buggy, but it doesn't compare to this beast. No, not even close. And I hope this footage is showing the massive of that X-Max. My God. I know for all you that own these X-Maxes, I mean, you guys already know. And I'm gonna mention this again for those that like to skip through videos. This is my first X-Max. This is my very first one. I just went with the Ultimate. We'll just go from there because this is gonna be my basher. I am gonna send this thing like crazy. We break something, we upgrade. That's all there is to it. All right, let's go ahead. Let's go ahead and compare it to, the Kyosho USA 1 Nitro. I love my Nitros, but I love my electrics too. Now we all know that this is a pretty big 8-scale truck, right? This is, it's got some pretty monster tires on it. So you guys look at that. Wow. I mean, come on guys, look at this. Towers it, everything. I know it's a 5th scale, I get it. But man, I think this is one of my tallest 8 scales that I have over all my RCs, but my God, this thing will just crush it. All right. You know what? Let's go ahead and compare it to another 5th scale. It's not really a fair comparison because this is the Losi 5T. So it's not, it is a gasoline, and man, is she heavy. There we go. Boom. 5th scale to 5th scale. So yeah, anyway, hey guys, if you like this content, please obviously like and comment, give me your thoughts on this thing. Do you own one? What have you done with it? What color did you get and why? But most important, subscribe. You subscribe, it's free to you. It helps the channel out. These things ain't cheap. And I have a lot of RCs that I spent thousands of dollars in, not just buying them new or even trading. It's just the upgrades, everything. It costs big money. And so when you guys like the video, when you comment, it throws them vibes out to the algorithm for YouTube to send this video out to other people, especially when you share it to your friends and everything. It helps the channel out, it helps me buy stuff, and if you guys like my content, well, you're gonna get more of it.